Hello, this is Nehal Kumar Bokare. I'm representing Bentley Systems India Private Limited. And as you know, Bentley Systems is an infrastructure software company exclusively into sustaining the infrastructure. And what do we mean by infrastructure is something which is around us. If it's road, rail, water, wastewater, the campuses, airports, buildings, ACCs, and all that. And Bentley has mastered the art of providing the softwares which will be help you in building, operating, managing the whole infrastructure in and around you. And Bentley do have the state-of-the-art softwares in that sector, and they help you. They help the owner operators, and they help the consultants develop, design, and manage the whole infrastructure. And this is how it helps you in making your life pretty simple and provide you the amenities which are best of the standard, and you can find, and you'll make your life easy. Bentley's role usually is to help all the engineering consultants and owner operators to procure this software. We provide state-of-the-art training so that they understand what the product is, and we provide them the support activities, and this is how they get the best out of the system. So when it comes to water, wastewater sector, almost all the leading water supply projects which are happening in India are using Bentley software, like Water Gems and Sewer Gems and all that. Simultaneously, from the GIS side, we have softwares like Bentley Map, and for the road side, we have applications like MX Road, Bentley Rail Track, and all that. So majority of the projects, if you could see nowadays, which are happening in this industry, are based on Bentley softwares, and they are finding the best out of it. So how we try and contact to the right people. So the thing is that we have our own fantastic sales and marketing team. We have offices in Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, and we go and meet the prospect. We show them the presentation. We try to do a small pilot wherein they can understand the technical capabilities of the product, and then we are able to provide the appropriate information about the product and how it can be useful. Using Bentley softwares, how they're going to save the time and resources, and how within that particular time period they're going to build the infrastructure. So that's our main purpose, and then when we show the presentation, they like it and they become our client. So through our very fantastic Select subscription program, we provide them continuous support, and the learning sessions keeps on happening on the net. So the client is continuously getting updated on the technology and all that. Even like we keep on participating in very good seminars and events like this one in the Mapworld Forum and other all regional workshops. So we're always in touch with our accounts, and they try and understand and get the best out of the work. Almost the revenue is pretty directly proportional to the efforts which we take and the infrastructure which is coming. So like if you could see now in last 3-4 years, there's a lot of focus on the water, wastewater, road, railway. So Bentley has backed many projects. Many of our engineering consultants are using our product, and so in short, like the whatever revenue we are generating out of it is directly proportional to what our products are used by our accounts, and it's pretty simple. If our users find our software useful, then they will be able to use the software on a higher level, and the moment they start growing, we also grow. So it's directly proportional.